Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this DIY floral monogram. If you like this DIY, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, subscribe to see more videos like this. And now let's get into the video. At first I upgraded this old box and covered the outside and the side with white paper. For the inside of the box I will use this pretty paper. It's a little bit wrinkly, but when I will glue it, it will all even out. Now let's move to the flowers. I use a crepe paper which I cut in stripes. Make a small fold and then fold it another 4 to 6 times. Cut off excess. Fold in half and cut out half of the flower petal. I made 3 different size flower petals. Glue each size petals together. So now we have 3 flowers. Now assemble them in one full flower. I felt like the middle is missing something, so I made a small flower and glued it to the middle. Using a toothpick, I pushed it and it placed in the best position. I made a bunch of these flowers, so now I can do a monogram. In the box for a guidance, I lightly drew the letters with a pencil. At first I placed the flowers just to find the best placement for each of them. Next, I glue them all in place. I use a white glue instead of hot glue, because it dries a little bit longer and makes it possible to move flowers and make some adjustments. Here is the final product. I really like how it turned out. It's perfect summer room decor, and it also could be a great gift. Leave me a comment, what do you think of this DIY? If you like this DIY, hit the like button, subscribe, and I see you soon in my next video. Bye!